are you doing, Millie? Wow. Mic check. All right, cool. All right, so while I actually figure out how to set up this stream, I don't know why it's not. There we go. Boom. All right. We are in business, I suppose. Nope, still not set up properly. We will. Yeah, I'm not even sure. Okay, there we go. Alright, I think we set up pretty good for now. What's up, people? Alright, we're going to do a live stream. We're doing some US30 trading on a 1 minute time frame. Let's see. Do we have actually get rid of those? Alright, cool. let's get it. Alright, the market opens. Let's see, let's mark off where the market opens up. US30, 930, boom. Market opens up right there. 930. I'm looking for maybe retracement, 50% retracement, 618 retracement, 7.7 retracement. We do have an order block over here to the left. You see how price came down, broke through the order block. I'm expecting price to come up and actually retest this order block to the left, and this is actually a continuation pattern right here. So I'm expecting price to come up into this area, and actually keep pushing to the downside. Now, one thing I want to keep in mind that the market is 56% long, so we're looking 69. Oh, now the market is 69% short. So what we want to do, we want to actually do the opposite of what the majority of the market is doing. So if that's the case, if the market is 69% short, we actually want to look for some buying opportunities. So what we could be looking for possibly, price might come down, then come back up, right? It may reach all the way up here, come down, and then continue upwards. Alright, so that is a possibility. So yeah, boom. That's what we possibly could be looking for. I'm about to hop on the Zoom session with my boy Ant. Yeah. So that's what we're probably looking for right there. Once market opens. But I do expect price to have some rejection right here. Some resistance. Right here. Push down. This is actually, this level, this zone down here is order block from a higher time frame. So price could easily shoot all the way down here to this level. And this white line is in the center of the order block and is also the 50% retracement. Another 618 retracement on the hour time frame.
Recording in progress.
What's up, brother?
Hey, good. Yeah, I'm just over here about to open up a little TMO trial.
Yes, sir.
Just to start placing trades, you know. Shit.
Yes, sir. Yeah, I created a little challenge this morning just to keep the series going. I was actually able, market is opening right now. I was actually able to set up the YouTube. I'm live, streaming on YouTube. So.
Oh, right now?
Yeah, right now. I'm not even sure if I have this set up properly, but it says Yeah, it says that I'm streaming. So
Yeah, for some reason it was acting really weird for me. I don't know why.
yeah, I don't know. Bro, I don't even know if I did this right. I know
Right, I'm
it's
just like,
nobody watching, but it says it's streaming. So maybe my tags are off. I gotta learn how to tag this joint and optimize it or whatever.
no,
But
100.
yeah, but no, the yeah, market just open. I marked up the charts a little bit.
Okay, US 30. All right, all right.
Yeah, the market charts up.
Yeah, that thing actually dropped like since like, from earlier. It looks like it's going down.
But what I'm looking for, I'm actually looking for some possible long positions.
Okay.
Yeah, simply because the market is 69% short right now. Let's refresh the index. Well, it looks like
Yeah.
it could be shooting down because it's 220 points in the negative.
Okay.
But yeah, we could be looking for some temporary short positions and then start swinging up. Because I have some resistance right here. Well, it's already price is already rejecting off of it. I have a level at 34213, 34226, and 34235. Those are basically from the 50% to 70.7 percent retracement.
Mm. Oh, for it to drop off of that?
Yeah, so we already got nice two nice rejections off of the opening candle and the second candle. So
Make sure.
so yeah, so it looks like it's doing exactly what I did at least so far. We got a nice two wick rejections literally off of the zone order block that I marked off.
Yeah.
You see to the left, what was it on the 5th this morning at 8:18 and 8:19? Those created an order block pattern. So I just marked
Okay.
off that 8:18. I put a zone from with the high to the low of that candle. And the 618 retracement was literally right inside that order block. So what I was telling myself before the market opened that since price did not respect that order block, um, it broke through, and I was looking for it to retrace into that, which was the 618 retracement also. So we got a nice little rejection off of that. Um, like I said,
Yeah.
since the market is so heavily in short, it could easily like what it's doing right now. It could easily like break above 34235 and then continue up.
Yes. Yeah. Yeah, it's trying. It's trying something.
Yeah, bro. I need. Can you send me that the levels indicator? I think I deleted it for some reason.
Yeah, I think it should still. I don't know. Do you have the pullback one? Because that's where I use it from. I usually they were both together.
Oh, okay. I do
Yeah.
have. Did you ever? Did you ever change? Um.
Mm-mm. I did change usernames, so I might have to re-add you. So yeah, I think that's the only
Let
thing.
me see. Yeah, I don't have it anymore.
Okay, yeah. Which just send me your trading view username. Just text me that down.
All right, got you. But yeah, I think I have it.
Okay.
Yeah, I think no, no, no. I don't. I don't. All right, yeah, I don't.
Okay. Okay.
All right, so we have. I don't know about you. We have a buy signal coming up,
Yeah, I saw that.
and then actually, what it did is doing exactly what I thought it was going to do. It's breaking above that 70.7, and now it's like pulling back, um, finding some support at the 618, literally at 34226. Let's see if it holds there. All right, so we got a buy signal.
Yeah, I'm over here thinking to see if we could at least like pull back a little bit.
Yeah. I'm holding off on this. Um, what I would rather do is find for it to push up a little bit, come back, and then we take the continuation, the next one going in the
Okay.
trend.
Yeah, I hear that. I hear that. This is actually an indicator. The one that I'm using right now, this little bottom thing right here.
Mm-hmm.
It's like a trend panel type thing that supposedly like helps you identify which markets are bullish or bearish.
Okay.
Yeah. Then I'm gonna get back on US30 in a second. I just realized like with forex, you could have like some really small stops, some really small stop losses, and some damage.
That was actually a good run. That one already hit full TP.
Oh, it already took off. Ooh.
Yeah, it hit TP already. Well, at least, so I do 30 points, 1 to 1. It hit TP.
Yeah, see, it's trying to do like a little pullback now.
Mm-hmm. That was actually kind of perfect too, because I already marked off the zone right up there at 34257. That 832 candle. I created
Yeah, yeah, I
I
saw that.
created a zone right there. That 832 candle.
Yeah,
A little further to your left. That yep, that joint.
right.
Yep. And you see how price it literally just rejected off of that. So I
Yeah.
had a zone right there. So what I'm looking forward to break down, retrace just a little bit, and then take a continuation to the upside. The market is still heavily, 69% short still. Let me see. Let's refresh this. 68% short. So some people just got taken out, possibly.
Um, it's not too bad.
Yeah,
It's trying it, but it's like it doesn't want to give us that strong pull.
that's crazy. It gave us a nice little pullback to that 618 level in that zone, the order block zone.
Mm. Oh, for the downside push.
No, for the upside push. I actually broke above and is retesting, finding support. That's what I'm saying. If it finds some type of support right there in that zone, or if it breaks down and comes to the
Okay.
what's this right here? Boom, 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 boom. You might find some support right there at that level 34201, and then continue up.
Yeah. Yeah, that would be nice. 420.
Keeps rejecting off of 34226. Looks like that would have been a perfect entry right there.
Yeah, that area wasn't too bad. I feel like it's gonna just do like one solid more push down, but I feel like it's been holding nicely right there off of that level, like you said.
Mm-hmm. Yep, now it's breaking all the way up. Now, like I said, I do have that zone from that, was it the 830 something candle? The 832 candle. And then I have a zone for the 757 candle.
Yeah.
Yeah, so I have to break through those zones and then I can see it continuing up.
I see that.
But yeah, we just got that nice little rejection.
Yeah, those wicks, those top wicks are looking mad weird, like, but I'm sure it might actually be cool in there.
What I can see happening, it's gonna maybe break those highs, right? Take some people out, come back
Yeah.
down, set people up for more sales, and then push back up.
Yeah, like I wouldn't mind. Pushing it down a little bit more. Yeah. It's doing a little pullback now. We'll see.
Mm-hmm. And what I'm looking for is, oh shit, I think I might have too much going on my screen. Come on, don't do that to me. Alright, cool. There we go.
Yeah, like for me, it just pulled for me into that area.
You know?
I think I'm gonna some trades. Not yet. It's pushing harder.
There we go. That's actually not bad. It could easily push it down. Let's break the structure right there. Could easily break down to 34176.
4176. Yeah, that momentum was a bit rough. That just came in.
Like a 25 point stop. If it reaches down there, we can take it back up to these levels. Yeah, easy 301 right there. once it hits that, I'm gonna buy. Oh man, is this lagging?
Yeah, it's dropping a little bit. It just went into those highs and then now it's tapping those lows.
Taking out those lows, yep.
Yeah, now it's creating like a crazy wave.
To the upside, yep. Alright, so I'm in that position. I have a small position open. Literally have,
Word.
yeah, I have my stop loss like 20 points. It's about 10 pips with 10 points underneath that wick. 5, 10 points underneath the wick. But I caught it as it was coming back up. Yeah, so I got a small position there, hoping it holds there and continues up. Oh my goodness.
Yeah, that would be nice.
Yeah, we just needed to hold there. Oh my god, I can't move. What are you doing, dog? Yeah, let's just have it hold there, and I want to take this up, back all the way up to, let's see, where can we take this? Yeah, we're going to take it to that high, actually, 34252.
Word. Yeah, definitely. That would be
Yeah,
nice.
that's the first target for me. Alright, here we go. We got a sell position, sell signal coming up. Seems like it might want to hold.
Yeah, I just realized like that 15 and well the 30-minute on UJ. I mean on U30 looks crazy for some cells. 30-minute time for now.
Yeah, there
Like
goes the
there's
short
some hella
position.
space to
Let's see if this holds.
go around now. Right now it's holding.
You know what? The whole point of this was to see if this software is profitable.
So what you think himself?
No, I believe the whole point of this was to prove that the software that we use actually works. But I'm already in that buy position.
Yeah, that buy definitely was like a sweep of some lows. If it was, because it definitely came in, took out like that 930 low, that 913, and then it tried to do 902. Yeah, for some reason it's like even on the 15, it looks like it's looking a little bearish. Like the 15-minute was like a retest.
sell
Yeah, that's
position, and the sell just said
yeah,
take profit. I took that sell after it came up, that second candle. I set a sell stop. So that's a win. Took an L on that buy position. But it might find some support right here at the level I was telling you, the higher time frame order block at 34155. That's the very top of the order block from the higher time frame, and it's literally wicking off of that.
yeah, I saw that. I see that.
Yeah, so this actually might be the point where it took out those lows and now it's going up. It's going to become bullish.
Uh-huh.
Let me see, what's the sentiment looking like? 69% short. Market is 181 points in the red. So technically, so far, uh, oh well, this one has to hit full TP. It hasn't hit full TP just yet. I think I keep forgetting spread. It's
Yeah,
just different.
those zones were those levels. The way you just took it out just now wasn't too bad.
Mm-hmm. Could easily turn bullish. See, I was interested in taking it up from uh that level. Was it what I say? 34155. Where's my mouse?
Yeah.
34155. Yeah, I wanted to take it up, but see, I have that zone. It's so I was hard to really pinpoint it on a smaller time frame. So that zone is literally from 155 all the way down to 34064. But I do have that's an order block
Oh
zone or
yeah.
whatever on a higher time frame. But then I have what was it? The 618 retracement is literally in the middle of that zone at 34113. You can find some major support if it decides to push down there, and it might push up. Um, and also have the 77 retracement. Literally, it lined up perfectly at the bottom of that zone at 34064. So those could be some major points where price actually decides to push, take out the lows
Push down,
again,
right?
and then like something real drastic. You know what I mean? Push down and then just turn around out of nowhere. So
Yeah. I could see. I could definitely see something like that. Cause like right now it's just heavy consolidation. It
mm-hmm.
definitely hit those levels and dropped from
You have those
that three
retracement
four two
levels. Yeah.
five five. Yeah. Yeah, it's trying it though. Lots of
Let's try.
time. Yeah, I think you might see those breaks to the downside.
So that was a nice little short position. I'm glad I got into that job.
Yeah, I'm actually about it too.
Yeah, I made sure I didn't marry that buy position.
Nah, especially at the that opening, I feel like there was just a little choppiness around there. Took up those highs, then just dropped like golly.
It was really neat to see what it's doing at that level. 34155. It's really holding there. That's the breakthrough.
Yeah, it really does. Yes, it does. Yeah, that sell's not bad at all. I might just take it right now.
I'm gonna hold off on that. I feel like it's a little overextended. Watch out for the
Like this one. That's a bit OD on the stop loss.
no, yeah, this right here actually might break into the zone and push down more. But still finding some type of resistance. Yeah, I would say it's probably some divergence right there. So
Yeah, let me grab that R star, see what's up.
yeah, I wouldn't necessarily hop in that joint just now, just yet, or it's a little too late, in my opinion. That's why, like for this session, whatever signals come out, I'm taking them, John. You know, like the other
Yeah.
setups, cool. That's like on the fly, but every setup has to be taken. You know what I mean? It has to be proof of concept. I'm live streaming, so people know whether they watch it right
Wow.
now or they watch it in the future. They know every signal was taken during this session.
Yeah, that makes sense.
So you missed that first, the opening buy signal. Took that short. What would be nice if we did have that break of that zone, a retracement, and then another sell signal for a continuation.
Oh yeah, that would be great. That would definitely be great.
Oh
Yeah, I think it might
no, price
might
just gapped.
overextend. Oh man, that John dropped. I was
Yeah,
in that, but dang,
you were in it.
damn. Yeah, I was in the cell. I was in the cell. I'm up on that, like
Yeah,
up crazy.
it's
Yeah, it
looking
did
back.
like a crazy. It's probably like a news event because it's still dropping. Ooh.
Yeah, it's
Yeah,
still.
I already.
Yeah,
Yeah, I
it's
did
working
mine.
back
I
up.
just did.
Nice rejection. What I say is rejecting off of that 77, 34064 and push down. Then it's rejecting off of that level. Let's see if it actually breaks through.
Yeah, that was a little bit much. Golly. Yeah, I just smacked that thing right there. But I definitely see it pulling back a little bit more than
Yeah, it's gonna
dropping.
have to fill that gap as well.
Yeah, that was wild. I'm actually sick because I was looking at, I don't know if you remember me looking at that panel for a second, and I had looked at UCAD for the buy.
Mm-hmm.
That thing literally went up like 60 pips, did 8 to 1. Yo, for some reason, I think Zoom is about to cut off. I don't know why.
Really? Let's snap.
But yeah, in about like 7 minutes though. But shoot, damn, that gap was crazy. Yeah, there had to be news event today. I think a pullback a little bit more all the way back up there and drop again. Shoot, I'm bored.
I did. Honestly, bro, it just is literally working off that 70.7 retracement off the. I think I got that off of the either the 30 or the hour. Go to the hour, I believe.
Yeah, I know which one you're
Yeah,
talking
it's the
about.
hour. Yup. And that's the retracement off of the hour. Yup, from that low to that high. Yeah, it's at the 77, so we can actually take that joint up if it actually holds. Right there, it's actually going to like start hitting those highs. Yep.
Okay, yeah.
See?
If we're using, so if we're just using that level.
Yeah, we can take it to that high, and then that next high to the left.
I could do that. Yeah, that whole gap is directly start. Wait.
I'm doing a small position. It has to pull back a little bit more. Good. 77. I'm just doing a small lot size. Stop loss at that wick, below that wick.
Oh, to take it to the upside?
Yeah, take it to the upside. I'm already in profit on that position.
Oh, yeah, I can imagine.
In that position. I'm just going to take it up to close that gap. So I got like a 40-point stop. It's a 90 pip target. 90-point target. Man, if this really holds, yeah, we could look at price shooting all the way up to 34650.
Yes,
all the way
that
up
would be
there.
vicious. Yeah, once it breaks up back above that level, it's going to be interesting.
So my only thing is, all right. So if you notice, if you go on a 15-minute time frame, you could easily see price could come down to 34009. It's like that. What is this on the Friday the 2nd at 8:45? That 8:45 candle. No, 9 o'clock candle. I'm on a 15-minute.
9:52.
No, the 9 o'clock. Yeah, right there. Yup. I can see price maybe coming down to there, into that area, and then pushing back up. But I like the way it's holding off that 77 level.
Oh yeah, it definitely hit that and popped up already like 50 twice, I think.
Yep. So
Oh yeah, sure. Your target's about to hurt real soon.
yeah, I'm up 60 points on that one so far.
Huh.
And nice little scoop to the upside. Alright,
It's
close the gap. I'll take that. That wick, it kind of whipped off for where I wanted it to go, so I just closed the bone. Yep.
oh yeah.
That wick was the wick. Yep. It closed that gap right there. I feel like it's gonna push some more, but I'll take that W
Oh yeah, for sure.
because that was just the first touch of that level. So take that as a win. Close that gap. And I got out of here. Let's see. I have to adjust my lot sizes also.
Oh yeah, it's definitely different.
Yeah. Yeah, I just had what 3 wins because I thought I took
Oh
a
yeah, cause
loss.
you had that sell.
Yeah, I thought I took a loss on the buy, but I actually got a it was in profit when I closed out that position and took the sell. So I had the buy, the
Word.
sell, and the buy all profit. But with those 3 wins, because I'm using the wrong lot size, only 83 profit, but wins nonetheless.
Oh yeah, cause yeah, of course that. I'm gonna send you the Zoom link again
All right, bet.
on Facebook.
All
I'm
right.
just gonna end it. Yeah, maybe we'll catch like maybe one or two more trades. Cause sure, I already hit some targets with that with that with that dang
That sell.
gap right there. Yeah, with that sell that came in.
Yeah, that was wild.
But nah, I definitely for some reason, if it could break up, I think it'll break higher, like you were saying, pushing up into those highs.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, what I would want
So
it to
sure,
break up, retrace, and then get a nice signal to the upside.
uh-huh. Yeah, keep it up.
Oh man. All right, people. All right, so I know there's nobody on here watching the stream, but who cares? I'm streaming anyway. Maybe you'll see it at a later date. Whatever. Um, I'm not sure if anybody is gonna notice, but we took this sell. I took this sell right here. Took this sell, and then I took this buy off this 70.7 retracement level. And you can easily see it go up to 3460. You have some levels up there on a higher time frame. Boom, let's go to the 15 minute. We have these levels 3460 all the way up here. That could possibly be our target for this retracement if the price holds right there. Well, what I'll do is I'm looking for a price to actually um, break up. Boom, find some support. Boom, break up. We got this nice little order block created right there. You might find some rejection. It might stop right there. It might come back down here, and then just continue on up to these highs. We got a high right here. And from that high, we have this high. 0.60, which is the actual target. Now look at that push. Look how price is pushing. Oh, that is beautiful. Could have held on to that position, but I got the gap fill. That was cool. And I got it from way down here. That was my position. It closed the gap. Yo, yo.
Yo, you here?
Yep.
It was crazy how it pulled right up back up into that area.
Yep.
Yeah.
So yeah, that's what I saw. I saw that happening. It closed that gap. Now we have some divergence actually being created. And I think this is where we're going to actually have price turn around. It's going to come down and then push all the way up. It just closed that gap. Let's see. Let me see. What's that? Yeah, it's pushing pretty nicely.
Yeah, it's definitely taken off. It's trying something.
Another W right there for that draw. Man, I need to eat some breakfast, something to eat.
Yeah.
Yeah, I'm trying to stay away from caffeine. I was watching this video. This guy was talking about how the reason why you crash is caffeine blocks certain receptors, the receptors that actually make us tired throughout the day. So over time, there's a certain chemical in our body that's released that makes us tired the longer we're awake. So what caffeine does, it actually blocks those receptors. But during that time that the receptors are blocked, all of those chemicals or whatever in our bodies, they're still building up. And once the caffeine wears off, everything that's been built up or whatever gets released. So that's why we have the sensation or feeling of crashing, because everything that was making us tired is now released all at once. So we have that sense of crashing and being tired. So what they say, to avoid that feeling of crashing, for the first 90 minutes after you wake up, try to avoid any type of caffeine, so that when you do drink some caffeine, you don't actually have that feeling of crashing later on in the day. And actually, I never noticed it, but it actually definitely works that way with me. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
Like if I have like I don't have to be to work until the afternoon, right? So if I go to work in the afternoon and I still grab a coffee just because I like coffee, you feel me? I just like the flavor. You know what I'm saying? I still like later on. I don't get that like that crazy like boost of energy from the caffeine, but I also don't get that feeling of sluggishness afterwards, like a few hours later or hours later. You know what I'm saying? And I think, like the dude was saying, I'm not drinking caffeine right away when I wake up. I'm letting my body actually adjust. Oh man, well, I could go for it right now. It's Monday. It's a little slow so far.
Yeah, if it doesn't do much, I'm just gonna we could chill out right now, just cause so we don't. I remember them days where it's like the market made this move, and then next thing you know, we just stuck 2 hours just staring at charts.
Mm-hmm.
So I'm like, nah, that thing's definitely do the thing. I'm just trying to see if it's gonna like hold that gap and drop, or if it's gonna break through it. Because if it breaks through, I definitely feel it might go higher.
Yeah, it's 68% short. Almost 300 points in the red. It could easily hold that and push down. But if it does, I do have an area below there. I have a zone between 33945 and 33892. So I have a zone down there, and the center of that order block or zone is 33920.
Oh yeah, from that 15-minute area.
So you can easily push down there, but it looks like it's holding. It's pushing above that zone.
Yeah, it's trying to do something.
It's trying to hold. Shit, 34155. It's holding. That's the breakup. Retrace back down to 34155 and then push up. See now that's I might actually take that. But what I would want for it to do, if anything, I would want it to break above and nicely close above 34155, come back down to 34110 or 111, and then continue up. So I would do something like that. Have an entry down here at 34110. Boom, with a stop loss right below that zone for like 50 points, something small. And then the 1-to-1 is already at the top of the zone, back to the top of the zone. And if it breaks through, we can take it to the highs for like 3-to-1. Because we have that other zone that's up there at 3426. Literally, and that's perfect. This perfect 3-to-1 right there to that zone.
Yes.
So. Let's try. And I just want price to come down just a little bit. Hit that level, turn around. Make that joint the wick right off of it. Excuse me. Now, what I do see happening, what's a possibility, now that it filled that gap, it created those temporary highs. It can easily sweep those highs real quick and then push down again.
Yeah, yeah.
But the way that 77 level held.
Yeah, literally went there, sweeped that, and now it's like moving.
Mm-hmm.
Starting to make that move up.
Mm-hmm. This is actually a nice little scalp position right there.
Went to the upside?
Yeah, like 10 points. Now that it broke above that zone, you can easily push up some nice little 5, 10 points. Something small, take it to the next zone. I still want that, I want that thing to pull back.
Oh.
See what the market does. Stay those with 10 points. Easy 10 points right there. Now I should go all the way up to the next level. If we can get that, that'll be dope. And 34223.
Shoot, that one actually you would have had would have done already like 130 points because you had it like right around.
Yep, I had 34065 or 64. That's where I entered. There you go.
It's gonna do it too. It's gonna pop right up there.
34. Yep, let's get it. 34223. Let's get it. All the way up. Boom. Come on. Let's go. Let's go. Did I call it or did I call it? Come on.
Alright.
Take that. Actually enter that. Put this to the side. Enter it right there on that candle. Boom. Let's erase this. Put my stop down here.
Here it is. And just got the buy side of this coming up.
Is it now?
Yeah.
Boom. Oh yeah, perfect. Alright, well I just closed. I just got a nice little 101 right there.
Yeah, I was about to say that because that one buy I had actually just did.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, literally, I just closed it out with a 101 50 pointer. Alright, so gotta take this. Oh,
Buy setup.
that was perfect. Got that 101. That joint turned right around.
Right, it literally did. Like right when you were talking about it breaking through and pulling back. That's it.
Alright, so I think that's 4W so far. 4W so far.
Yeah.
Let's go. One solid setup. Yeah, if we can get like one more red candle into that zone and then another breakout with a signal, a buy signal,
But yeah, that'll do something.
that'd be perfect. Let me see, where are we now though? I removed those levels that I had. I feel like we're at the 50 retracement, right? From that high to the low.
Um,
When you have the arrow, yeah, from that high to that low. That has to be like the 50. Oh, that's above. Okay.
707.
707.
Yeah. Very little too aggressive.
Oh man. MetaTrade, man, my terminal froze on me. Oh no. It's too much going on. think this is the one. It's actually going to break through and push all the way up.
Yeah, I was looking at it. I'm like, ooh, that wouldn't be bad. Yeah.
Right there, that buy, boom.
Yeah.
Yeah, boom. Oh, that's nice though. I like how it broke up above that 77. Then it broke below. Retesting. What is it? Retesting. Yeah, there we go. I like that. I like it. All right, so it came up. It wicked off this 786 level, right? Held at closed and held at the 77 level, and now it broke below and is wicking off the 618 level.
Yeah,
So
you could definitely start making moves up.
So I think like the next few candles would definitely have an idea of which direction it's going. Um,
Oh yeah. It did like you were saying, pulled right back into that zone, gave us some nice momentum and shit. It might just actually keep popping up to the next one right now.
Yep, there it is. It will have to. It see it's wicking off that 77 level. It's going to have to at least close above that to give it a nice push. There we go. It's wicking off of that drop.
Right.
It's wicking off of it. It's literally perfectly wicking off that level at 34194.
34194. Yeah, I see what you're talking about.
Yeah, it's holding.
Yeah, I definitely think it's gonna probably pop make that move. That would be nice just seeing that one more pop up. Shoot. I wouldn't mind that.
Come on, there we go.
There it is.
Shit, it might try to reach up to that 886 level where that zone I have marked off of.
Yeah, around like 34244.
Yep.
Around there. Yeah.
Yep, 3-4. I have 34236. So yep.
Oh yeah, yeah, that's enough. Shoot, if we could get that, I am done. I would definitely have hit some goals today. Man, let's see it. Let's make some moves. It just be loving that consolidation, man. That little, let me move a little sideways, let me move back a little bit, man. And just give us that 100 points that we looking for. All right, let's go.
So it's like once it gives you that move, you gotta take that jump because it gives it to you.
Yep, and then they'll do a little quick, yeah.
It'll give it to
It's
you
like
and
this.
then consolidate. Like boom, take it. If you don't, well you
Yeah,
gotta wait until the next opportunity.
for real. That's
Cause
what happened right there when it went for 50 points, then dropped, and now it's literally up another 50.
yeah. See, I took that first 50. I was cool.
Yeah.
Like I took that first 50. I'm good. I was contemplating. I like the way it came down, how that what was it, 10 boom, 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 was it the 1030 candle? Damn, my job moving slow.
Yeah, that's 1030 John.
What was it? Yeah, 1030. Yeah, I was actually thinking about how that if you drop your
And around
fibs,
there.
it broke above and it came down and wicked off the 50 retracement.
Mm,
So if you from the high to the low, no, from the high to the low, the
from
original,
the
yeah,
high.
no, to your
Oh,
left, yeah,
from
yup. Remember I was telling you before how sometimes
so,
price it breaks the 50, retraces off the 50 and pushes in the opposite direction or continues in that direction, right?
yeah, I see
So
what
you
you
see
did.
how it came down and wicked right off of the 50. So my entry for that buy
Yeah.
was what that was 30, 29, 28, 27, 26, 25, 24. I entered on the opening of 1024. So
Mm-hmm.
yeah, so that was like my zone. The top of my zone is right below that close or whatever that open. So
Stuff like
yeah, it's something
that.
like that. It's yeah. So that 1023 candle that it closed above the zone that I have. So I saw that all right, it just broke above that zone and closed. So this is where I'm gonna enter the market and push up. So that's where I got my
Mm.
1-to-1 for 50 points off of that. So when price
Oh
actually
yeah.
yeah right there, that's where I entered right. So I got my 50 to 50 and that high with the wick. It literally wicked the 50 1-to-1. I got out and then the 1030 candle came down, broke below the entry point, and wicked off the 50 and then continued up. That's where I was thinking about actually re-entering
Word. I see that.
to take it back up. But since I already got that 1-to-1, I want to actually wait for some more activity like outside of that area.
Yeah, I see that.
Right now, I feel like it's just going to consolidate for a little bit.
Mm-hmm. Yep. Come on now. All it needs to do is do a little fake, take those highs, and I'm Gucci.
Mm-hmm.
Alright, let's just break above here, give us another 50 points. Once it wants to push up, I'll take it. Boom. Pop. Order B. Here we go. Come on. Just a little pump fake for everybody who thought it was gonna sell. Just a little poo poo.
Right, there you go. Nice little push up. It has to break that wick high.
Yeah, that would be nice.
Yeah, it's still holding at the 786. Ooh. Let's see, am I still streaming? YouTube is not receiving a video that makes me search. I think the streaming is overwhelmed.
Yeah, I gotta overwhelm the internet connection.
Yeah, my joint overwhelmed. It's like
Yeah.
error. The strength is poor. It was excellent for a while, and
Yeah,
now
I'm
it's like
surprised. Like, it wasn't like it was showing me the webcam, but I was trying to do like a share screen from that, and it wouldn't let me. I'm like, what the hell?
that's where yeah I had to go through YouTube, get the streaming key, and then put it into OBS.
Yeah. Once you start doing all that, yeah, that definitely starts taking the power that internet. Just trying it right now. It's about
Mm-hmm.
pop right above it.
Yeah, I wouldn't actually mind a nice little buy signal coming up. Also, If it breaks above that and closes.
Yeah, that would be nice. Baby, yo. It's crazy. Like, I know in the past, Zoom used to be, first off, it used to be free when it was just 2 people, like unlimited time.
Mm-hmm.
Now they definitely charging. Like, they cutting it off again. I feel like it hasn't even been another hour, though. It's like probably like 40 minutes, if anything.
I don't even think that, bro. Was it about to cut off already?
Yeah.
Hold
It
up.
says in the next 10 minutes.
Let me see. When did you send it to me? Bro, you sent it to me 30 minutes ago.
Oh, man. So they're doing 30 minutes now. Sheesh.
It says another 10 minutes, so they give 40-minute sessions. Boom, boom. Oh, man. Come on. You got to break above that, not wick off of it.
Right, that thing definitely went up, made some moves. It's trying it. It's definitely trying it. It might just try it.
Oh, back to streaming. It says it's excellent now. I don't know what changed.
Hey, that the market's moving in the right direction. That's what it is.
Yes, I guess so, brother.
Hey,
I
look at
guess
that,
so.
man. All it needs to do is like another 40 pips and I'm Gucci.
What's that break? Oh, I missed
Come
that
on.
break. I missed the break. But I still have this zone that has to break above, though. It's wicking off of it right now.
Come on.
Yeah, it's holding right there. It literally wicked off of the zone that I have. That's crazy.
Yeah, if we could do another, just a little bit, just like a little boop, boop, boop. That's all I need to do.
What is the market looking like right now? 68% short. 67% short. 200. It's over 200 points in the red. Yeah.
I feel like even if it needs to drop, at least it would probably want to come up and just a little bit more, just before that drop. But maybe this was enough. It definitely did move from that 707 shoot.
Mm-hmm.
It definitely did do 150 points from there.
Oh shit! I said that, didn't I? I said 153 to 1. I got out at a 1 to 1.
It definitely did do it.
Definitely called it. Boy, your boy be calling it, man.
Yeah, for real. Yo, for real.
I was cool with my 1 to 1. That 3 to 1 is nice though. Feel good to call it out and have it work out the way you see it.
Hell yeah. Even this one right now, I feel like it's gonna do it. It's like all I need to do is just boop boop.
Mm-hmm.
Like, stop playing with us, man.
I just like right now. I would like it to break above 232. If I get a close above 3-2, 232, I'm gonna actually enter for a buy. I'm gonna scalp it up to to the next zone for something
Uh,
small, something real small. It's like it's only like 25 point
oh, it's gonna do that too, because I
zone.
feel like there's a on the I think on the I think I saw some divergence, but it was overextended, so it might actually just use this and push right back up. It's not holding too much.
Yeah, I gotta definitely get some better internet.
Yeah,
Way
I'm using
better.
the Xfinity John.
Yeah, same here.
Like that.
I mean, it's cool, but as far as streaming goes, it's definitely not.
Oh yeah.
It's definitely not where it's at. Like the joint, it's excellent. It says the stream status excellent, cool, cool. But I realized like a stronger connection might actually have the lag between my screen and actually the stream on YouTube be a little bit
Uh-huh.
a little less
Yeah.
laggy. There goes that push. It hit that zone.
Very.
Let's see what happens here. Wick, wick off. Yep, it's holding that level. Sheesh.
It's using it, but it's gonna
Yeah,
do it.
three
It's
four
gonna.
two
I
two
feel it.
three. It's holding at 34223. That's literally the bottom of the zone I have. I need to break above that zone and close above 233. I'll probably scalp that for like 10 points. 10, 20 points. Yeah, it might be overextended. It needs to pull back a little. Rear could have pulled back too.
Man, I feel like right now it just needs to just do that extra like 30, just an extra 30 points right now, and we'll be good. And then they might just do like a little hard drop because shit, for it to come all the way down, all the way back up there.
They gotta break through this. This hole. time is it? 10:30. I think it's time to call it a session. That's what I'm thinking. I'm thinking it's time to call it one, y'all. You feel me? I think it's time to call it one. There's no need to chase the market. All right, so if you paying attention to this stream, um, I took this sell. I actually had a buy down here off of this wick. I bought it. It was in profit a little bit, and I saw that this sell signal came up, so I actually closed out just as it was coming out of profit. So I actually closed out with like $4 in profit on that buy that I had set up down here to take it to the upside. I entered this sell that hit full TP, came down here to this retracement level off of a higher time frame. Um, it came down with it took out these lows basically. So any buyers that had their stops underneath this zone or this level, it literally took them out and came up. So as price was coming back up off of this retracement level, I entered for a 1-to-1, 50-point 1-to-1. I took that, and then we had a break, a liquidity break. I call it a liquidity break. It broke above this zone, and it was like a sweep of all of these orders down here. So I took this buy for a 1-to-1 for 50 points. Waiting for, so we have 3 wins, technically 4 wins, but I'm not going to count that buy because I closed it out. It didn't even hit targets. I closed it out. I reversed my position. So I'm going to count this as 1, 2, 3 wins so far. I was looking for price to break above this. Yeah, I'm bugging. I just realized I was looking at the wrong screen talking to you guys. So, yeah. So we have 3 wins, 4 wins technically, but 3 wins that I'm counting towards today's record because I had a buy position over here and literally it came up, was in profit for a little bit. This sell signal came up, so my position was slightly in profit. So I closed it out profit and took the sell as the second candle came up. I took the sell as it came down. So I entered that sell. It hit full TP. Came down to this rejection level or 70.7 retracement level on a higher time frame. Price came down, took out these lows. As price was coming up, I entered the market, and it basically went straight to TP 1-to-1 for 50 points. Same here. I think that was 50 points. What's this 50 points? No, that was for 75 points actually. This was 50 points, yeah. Alright, so yeah, this was, I took this to close the gap. That was 75 points, right? And this one I actually took for a 1-to-1 because it broke above this zone. And I feel like this was a liquidity sweep. It took out these highs. So it took out all of these orders, all the people that was selling the market and had orders above these highs or this temporary high right here. It took those out. So that's what I was expecting. I entered the market for a 1-to-1. Got that. Now we're looking for price to actually break above this level over here, this order block, which price broke down. It mitigated, well, these order blocks, these zones kind of mitigated these. Boom, came down. It didn't truly respect this level. It kind of broke above. So it kind of gave me an indication that we might get some rejection like it did before, and then a break above. So what we doing? We got some rejection. Now I'm looking for this break above. And once we get that break above this zone, I'm going to actually enter the market and scalp it for like 25 points to the upside. That's if these levels don't hold and present a short opportunity. All right, so that is that for now. Let's see. Yeah, so that's what we were waiting for. That's it. Let me see. know what? I think it's about that time. Yo, yo.
I think you're John muted, but what's it called?
Can you hear me?
That John about to make its move, man. I could already see it.
Yeah.
This is waiting to creep up and boop boop.
Yep.
I was actually sending you a voice message. I was like, man, once it does this, I'm gonna probably just call it. I should actually be closing out my trades now because I definitely did hit my goal for the day. But
yeah, this is it for me.
Play out. Yeah. This is like that last extra push. I'm just like, man, that's it. And it's just trying it right now.
It's trying. There we go. They got the buy signal coming.
Oh, there it is. There he is.
If it holds and above that zone with a buy signal, I'm gonna enter. And that's perfect because I said as soon as it did that, I was gonna go for 25. My 1-to-1 is 30. So we'll see. Needs to break above. Oh, my terminal froze. Oh, no. Oh, bro.
Dang, your terminal froze and it.
Yeah, I entered the position, but it froze. Oh my gosh, bro. I can't. Yo, Oh my gosh.
It's not working.
Bro, It allowed me to enter the position, but everything else is frozen. Oh. Oh, this is gonna mess up. Oh. Oh man. This is. Oh. This is heartbreaking. It legit. How does it freeze? How does the whole terminal freeze? But it allows you to enter the market, but you can't close trades or anything. I can't fucking adjust the trades. I can't edit the trades. Bro.
That thing better start moving up now.
No, I wanted to get out. Yo.
Oh.
I was just going to give my nice little scalp for 10. Even though I was going to go for 25, I like that break for a nice 10-point scalp. It went 10 and literally it froze. My joint is frozen, bro. I can't do anything.
You can't even exit out.
I can't even exit out the screen. I can't exit out the. Hey, yo. Oh, man. Yeah, I think this is. Yeah, that's going to mess up my account already. Luckily, I didn't over leverage, but damn, that was my win rate for the day. And I'm taking a loss now. And it actually entered me into the position twice, so I'm taking twice the loss. If I can actually get this terminal up and running and close the position before it fucking.
Yeah, you might have to log in on your phone.
Oh my god. Yeah, I think that's what it is. I might have to do that.
All that internet running. Shoot.
Yeah, this is crazy. Dang. Where's my I need my login info.
Start pulling up a little bit more.
I can't believe that happened to me just now.
Literally, it just froze up, right?
Bro, it froze.
Right when you're like, yo, I'm about to enter the job. I'm like, oh shit.
It froze on me. Alright, I'm ending the stream right here.